all you beautiful, wonderful people out there. I am Katya with Lunar Sun Creations. Welcome to my channel. I create mini albums and do other crafty things and teach you how to do it too. If you are into all things crafty, please consider subscribing to my channel for more videos about crafty things. So I finally have a tutorial for you. It's using the Stamperia Vagabond, both the Sir Vagabond and the Lady Vagabond collections. Gorgeous, gorgeous papers. I feel like I'm a little late to the party though, because it seems like everyone all of a sudden has an album using these papers, but regardless, I still love mine and I think it's still unique, and I hope you love it. And it is available in my Etsy shop right now. So go check it out, like right now. No, actually watch the video first, and then go check it out. Oh, I'm such a dork. Sending you huge hugs from BC, Canada, among the gorgeous trees. I'm gonna go walk among them for a little while longer and enjoy the day. All right, find your rainbow. Stay safe. Bye. Okay, folks. It is finally here, my new tutorial, yay! Zuri is here to help me present it, as always, my faithful companion. Okay, buddy, I can't do this with you here though. You're taking up too much space. Okay, so using the Vagabond paper pads, both the Sir Vagabond and the Lady Vagabond. This is the cover. And then the spine, I did kind of a little corset. And the back. And it's 2 elastic closures on these really cool, kind of like inside of a watch, they look like. They're like watch workings. Okay, I gotta move you, buddy. Okay, let's dive right in, unlatch those, and on the inside, so the front covers I left pretty plain, just did some flowers from Petaloo, I think they're called, yeah, from Petaloo, and some gears and some chipboard. I used a lot of the chipboard elements, some metal keys. And then on this one here, I used the chipboard door with a little cat there, and then you open these to the sides, and these both open as well, like that. And it's kind of like a dimensional thing, little kind of pop up. Okay, and then this pulls down, and you can put a photo there, and then it also goes up, and when it goes up, it enables that to pull down, and there's a spot for journaling or photo there, and then this whole thing goes up, and then you've got you probably wouldn't want to put a photo over top of that, maybe a small one over here, and then when you open it up there, spots for photos here and some of the chipboard elements. So these are left open at the top and the bottom, so you can put photos underneath them. Okay, so that is the first page, and then it magnetizes back in place. And then on the second and third page, so we've got a big chipboard element that is magnetized and swings out of the way, and then that opens up, and then a metal pull, and when you pull that down, those appear. And then down here, this also opens up, some more spots for photos. And then the whole thing closes up like that. And then over here, another swing tab. This one's a metal one. Some more chipboard pieces. This opens to the side, and then just a very simple waterfall. I just left it open for pictures. And then the whole thing opens to the side. And and then we've got a waterfall, so we've got a horizontal and a vertical waterfall. And then this here is a large pocket. I just have one tag in there, but there's lots of room. You can put a few more tags in there if you like. And then that closes up like that, and then the metal part swings back. Oh, I forgot to mention, each one of these has a pull out. They're pocket pages. So each one of them has a pull-out just with some chipboard to help you pull them out. They're just blank though because I actually ran out of paper. I used 2 Lady Vagabond 8x8 collections and then one 8x8 in the Sir Vagabond and a 12x12 in the Sir Vagabond, and I barely have anything left. I used pretty much all of it. So on this one I kind of wanted it to look a little bit like kind of like a suitcase. I distressed these to kind of make it look like the handles of a briefcase. I was gonna put a handle thing there, but then you wouldn't be able to pull it out properly from this, so I didn't. So that's just a tag that is magnetized, and then this opens up to the side, and then this opens up to the side, and then we've got a pop-up book. So I wanted to use the book from the collection. I'm just going to kind of tilt it so you can see there. And then this is magnetized and opens up. So it looks like you can journal in here. And then this whole thing pulls out. It's a gatefold. So room for pictures and for journaling. And then that closes all back up like that and is magnetized. And then this goes back in to hold it all in place. And then on the corresponding page, each one of these opens to the side, and then that opens, and then there's a little surprise little flap so you can add little pictures or some journaling. So each one of these does that, so 4 times, and they all open like that. So they each do that. Okay, and then these also, this one goes to the side, down, out and out. So it's hard to show you, but so those all go out. And then the whole thing opens to the side again, and room for journaling and pictures on the sides. I'm not going to pull all these out, but these have just know that they're there, so an extra pocket. And then on the next 2 pages, so here we've got a piece that pulls down, and there's a pocket here. And then this is a magnetized swing tab, and it rotates like that. And then these open up for journaling, and then there's also spots for photos inside, and then you can also put photos on the purple part. And then the swing tab goes back into place like that. And then up here, got a little ring pull it to the side this way, and this opens up to the side. I've just got it blank in there, so just for some small photos. And then this pulls to the opposite side. The magnet's really strong. And this does the same thing. It opens twice to the side. And then that enables this to open. And then when that opens, you've got a couple pop-up elements there. And then this closes back up and goes back inside the little belly band and locks in place. And then over on the corresponding page, these Lady Vagabond images, oh my gosh, they're just so gorgeous. So we've got a couple little ring tabs here, and pull on those, and then you've got spots for photos here. And then this over here is a pocket. Just a couple of the ephemera tags in there. It's magnetized, and then when you rotate it, that enables this to open. Spots for journaling and photos here, and then this opens to the side and down and to the side again. And I left it blank for photos. I didn't want to add too much bulk, so I wanted it to be just for photos. And then that opens to the side, and then that opens to the side, and then this whole thing goes to the side as well, and more spots for photos. And then it closes up like that and like that. Oh, and I just realized that I forgot to put something in this pocket. So this is also a pocket. I forgot to put a tag in there. So big pocket there, lots of room there. And that all magnetizes back into place. And then on the final page, so this is a large pocket here. Down here, this is magnetized and opens up. And then this pulls down and pocket, 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 pocket. So these are all pockets. I didn't put anything in them because they're perfect size for photos, so I thought this could be kind of for like the extra photos. But the whole thing, you can open it like that, but the whole thing is actually an accordion. And then on the back is space for photos as well. So each one of those is a pocket, and it all goes back like that. And then when you take this large tag out of this pocket, that opens to the top, and then you've got another huge pocket underneath there. And I've just got some of the ephemera and stuff in there. And then that goes back, locking it in place. And then on the back cover, I just left it really, really simple. This is left open underneath, so you can put a photo up in the sky there. And that is it. It all closes back up with the elastics. And that is my album. Oh, I'm very happy with it. I think it turned out really great. And I know a lot of people have been using this collection, but there's so many different ways to use it. Oh, and I forgot to mention that these clock hands rotate on the cover there, and there's a lot of dimension with the chipboard and everything on here. Alright, so that is my album. I hope you love it. The tutorial for this is available in my Etsy shop. It can hold about 120 photos. And the PDF has 82 pages of written instruction, as well as 9 videos that go with it. And the videos are in the PDF itself, and you just click on them and it'll take you to the video that you want to watch. So both written and video instruction. All right. Have an amazing day. I hope you love it. Please subscribe for more crafty things and more albums to come. Love you lots. Big hugs. Bye.